Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter from White Raven Productions. 2019 has been an amazing year. I am super proud on how much the channel has grown in the last couple of months. We have grown more than 400 subscribers, and as of now we are actually topping 11,000 views per month. I just want to say thank you for sticking with me. With that out of the way, today I brought some cameras. I brought my Red Raven, my C200, my EOS-R and my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K to do some simple, sweet comparison. So without further ado, let's roll that intro. Guys, it's raining so bad right now. We wanted to do some more tests, but the weather is not letting us right now, so we're heading back. I'm sorry, but yeah, we live in the Netherlands, so that's life. So yesterday it was raining really bad, but today it's actually much better. So we shot some extra footage here in the garden.